So what you doing?
Building a compost bin because our trash can composters are just about full.
Oh dear.
Do not expect this problem.
Well, you also didn't expect me to like get hardcore on the compost train.
Yeah, or be homeless much, so.
Or that's the other part of it. You're also here.
But doesn't everyone build compost bins in January when it's below freezing outside?
I want to say no.
Oh. They're lost.
Where'd the lumber come from?
This was going to be an additional raised bed back when we put them in 4 years ago, but we didn't use it. So this is solid oak lumber sawn with the family steam engine at Greenville Heritage Days.
Greenville, Illinois Heritage Days.
Yes.
At the
American
Farm Heritage Museum.
Yes.
That's what it's called. In Greenville, Illinois. It's very cool. If you haven't been there, check it out. So this lumber is well seasoned.
It's very dry. I hope I don't have to cut a whole lot of it because it is not going to cut very nicely.
It's pretty hardcore.
Yep.
Okay. So you're gonna what's your plan here?
Want to go 4 boards tall. That'll be just under 4 foot. I'll probably put a gap and make them 4 foot. This will be the back. Go against the fence so the neighbors have something better to look at than just a pile of compost. Then either come off the sides with hardware cloth or see what other wood I could dig up and to make probably 3 bins, but we'll have to see how it progresses. I might reserve the right to change my mind.
Do you actually have a plan for this?
I have a vision.
Okay. Awesome. Sounds good. Well, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go back inside where it's not freezing, and you have fun.
Oh, always. Had to go grab an impact. I remember to grab the batteries from inside, but it was still in there. Using 3-inch exterior grade deck screws that I bought to build a wooden fence. So had them on hand, just using them up. boards aren't the same thickness, same length, same width, but for a compost bin, I don't think it much matters. Just trying to get them as straight as possible, make sure the widths are the same. We're gonna do 4 boards wide, but sawhorse is only big enough to put 3 on at a time, so cut some end braces and start putting them together. End up taking it all back apart to carry it out to the garden, so just putting enough screws in to get it built right now. Then we'll secure it better with all the holes whenever we get it out to the garden. Well, that's essentially the back of it built. Now I've got to decide how I'm going to section it off into either half into 2 bins or into thirds. Leaning towards thirds, but I'm gonna think about it for a few minutes and we'll get back to you. Gathered my thoughts and some more wood, and we're gonna split it into thirds.
How's it going?
Going.
It's going.
It'd be the back. What you're looking at is facing us.
Okay. Cool. So is it just like 3-sided? And then like you just gonna put dividers?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go with that hardware cloth we got protecting the garlic. I
Okay.
think that's gonna be the dividers. I'm gonna put these at the bottom on this bay. This will be the bay closest to the garage and our
Okay.
finished compost. So that way the bottom's kind of contained in. Out of this oak, what you see laying here is what I got.
Cool.
So kind of is what it is. Unless I find some pallet wood or something eventually to build the middles or get some at the next steam show. But this will get us started.
Use what you got.
Yep. Can't afford to buy anything new.
Start here.
Start the trash cans, probably get dumped in the middle here, then go over there to finish.
Okay.
This would be for, you could collect leaves and brown materials to mix
Feed
in.
in.
Yeah.
I can honestly say I don't know much about composting or the method behind it. You watch a lot of videos on it, but I don't pay attention.
Yeah. Which we're gonna go exactly 3 settlers. So, carrying this lot is 1 unit?
No. Yes. I don't. Hopefully not.
Think it's cold?
Yeah. It's not bad if you're by the heater. move stuff?
No.
Oh.
I need to prep out there first before we move stuff.
Okay.
So all I'm going to do is screw this half, the outside to the bottom, the middle to the top, and that's how we'll move it. And then I think I'm going to drive T-post in the ground on the ends, and we'll fasten the T-post to these.
Okay.
And wood, wire, whatever magic I come up with.
Sounds good.
So,
hey guys, thanks so much for watching our compost bin building video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was part 1. Part 2 is coming very soon, which will be the finish of the build and the install into our garden. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you know when we go and post a new video so that you can see all the cool stuff that we're doing, especially now that we're getting closer and closer into spring season. So we're going to be posting a lot more often, which is really exciting. Check us out on TikTok and Instagram, same name as this account here. And I hope that you enjoyed it, and we'll see you around.